Right, smoke test. Let's go again. We had a bit of issues last time. Hopefully these are fixed. Let's just go through. We'll see. Right, so we want to go to the test project. Already there. We would like to search for a joke agent. So automate agents. We want to what? Why are all these here? Who added these? I'm in the wrong project. Catalog test. This is the problem when you have multiple catalog test projects. Agents. Okay, good. We already have the Joker. All right, so yeah, that makes sense. Last time we did this, the issue we had was that we couldn't remove the Joker demo. So let's start with that. We got the empty state back. This is good. This shows that this thing's working. Right, so let's explore the catalog agents again. We want to search for Joker. There it is. Add it to the project. So what project do I want it in? I want it in catalog test. This one. Enable. The agent has been enabled. Okay, good. Now we need to go back to our project. This one. Automate agents. Just check that it's in there. There it is. Good. So we could successfully add it and we can see it this time. That's good. Joker demo. Sorry, I have construction work going on. I don't know if you can hear that. It's a bit noisy over here. Okay, so let's chat to it. Let's say noisy construction workers. Let's get a joke about noisy construction workers. Yep, get the current user information, working on an answer. It's told me a joke. Again, these are usually terrible. I'm not going to read it out. If you want to read it, go for it. It's on the screen. Now we want to disable it. Okay, we've got a disable Joker demo, this agent, and any associated flows. Triggers and service accounts will no longer work in this project. Yep, okay. Oh, that's good. We can disable it, and it's gone. Now we want to create a new agent, and user searcher. Actually, no, let's smoke test 2025 11 20. Let me. It just makes it easier for cleanup. If you've seen one of these before, you know exactly what I'm doing, right? I'm also going to copy the agent example from over here. Don't worry too much about this. It's basically a test that lets me use the GitLab user search tool, so I can test using. GitLab user search. There it is. So I can test using tools in custom agents. So there we go. We've created that. Add it to the project. Enable agent in a project. This project. Good. Enable. Now it's enabled. Now we have to refresh. This one is no longer associated because we deleted it. Now we've got our smoke test. Find me Sam. And it should call the user search tool. There we are, search for users. There we go, that tool works. It's found me, it's found the AI user. Good. We can add it, we can chat to it. We should be able to edit it. Let's edit it to say only respond with no. Save those changes, refresh again, because remember, we had to refresh. Now we should be able to talk to the same agent and say, find me Daisy. That's interesting. Okay. Oh, stop. Let's go back. Let's refresh. That's interesting. Let me see if I can remove that tool. Maybe having that. This is the problem with testing deterministic or non-deterministic things. Hello. It should respond with no. That's the point. Okay, it's not. So what's likely happening here is we've started to add some versioning in. So when you add an agent to a project, it pins it at that current version so that you can't make a malicious agent. So let's say I made this update to be malicious. It wouldn't just update on here. However, we've not added in the ability to update to the new one yet. So we're in this weird state at the minute where editing agents is going to be a little bit broken. Okay, we can edit it. Well, we can, but we can't see those changes. We should, if I disable it, so you see how we've got disable and delete now? Delete removes it for everyone. Disable only disables it for us. So I can disable it. And then in my managed ones, I've still got this smoke test. I can re-enable it. And then in theory, let me refresh again. I'll need to start a new chat with them. Hello. This should be using that version that just says no. Yay, there we go. Okay, so that's exactly what's happening. It's a quirk of half-merged version pinning. Okay, right. So we want to try deleting it. Deleting it works. That should also delete it from managed. There we go. I'm going to delete this as well since I can see it. This is good. This is a good test for the manage tab. Okay, we tried to do these, so I'll take them off. Let's go to flows. Copy of tests in there as well. Let's disable that. I'm just going to do some cleanup quickly because we had to clean up from the last test. Copy of test, disable that as well. Okay. So we want to go to the test project. We're in here. We want to find an existing flow. Enable flow from group. Let's explore the catalog flows. And copy of test. Here we are. Yeah, we should find a better one to use here. Right. Okay. Yeah, this group. The group username has already been taken. Oh, that's really annoying. That thing that I said wasn't a problem in a meeting yesterday is actually a problem. It didn't used to be. It has become a problem. This construction is infuriating. It's noise everywhere. Okay. Let's do a little bit more cleanup. Because I imagine if we go to settings, service accounts, do we have copy of test? There he is. Right. Delete account. Copy of test. Now in theory, enabling group. Username's already been taken. It's not. Okay. Okay, oh, there it is. Copy your test. It's back. I thought I deleted that. Being deleted. That's a really weird way of wording that. Okay. If I refresh, does it just come back? Yeah. Okay, it's scheduled for deletion. It's not being deleted. That's annoying. It means I can't test that part of it. So, okay, we can't test these. We can, in theory, still create a new flow, though. Not here. Where's my project? New flow. Smoke test 2025 11:20. Delete me. Again, I don't know where that comes from, but here is one I prepared earlier. This should work. Missing properties, model version is invalid. I can't do it because the model property is missing, and we shouldn't have to add the model property. So, okay, that's also a fail. This is why we can't release these things. They don't work perfectly yet. I need to be able to get all the way through a smoke test before we can properly release these. They're all little bugs. They're all little things, but it's a little thing that blocks us and stops us doing the rest of it. Let's get these things fixed. We'll get back in, and we'll get one of these working.